In this question, we have a number of positive and negative values that we're going to be adding up. There's a couple of things to consider here. First of all, you might be thinking that you're going to need to worry about the order of operations, or BEDMAS. Brackets first, exponents, and so on. Addition, if I'm moving down this way, addition comes before subtraction. But in actual fact, addition and subtraction, these can be switched up. It makes no difference. The same is true for division and multiplication. Those two could be interchanged. When it comes to addition and subtraction, all that I have to think about is just to perform those operations going from left to right. You don't have to change your order. Just complete the whole thing from left to right. And that's all that I have here, is just addition and subtraction. Now, that's one thing that I have to consider. Another thing that I have to consider, however, is that when I'm adding a negative, that's the same as subtracting the value. So 4 plus negative 1 is the same as 4, let me do it this way, 4 plus negative 1 is the same as 4 minus 1. Why would it be the same as 4 minus 1? Well, because my two signs here don't match. The positive and the negative don't match. That gives me a negative. The same would be true if I had 4 minus plus 1. These don't match. This one is different than this one, and so that would become a negative. It's only if I had 4 plus 1 that I would call this the same as 4 plus 1, or if I had 4 minus 1. If I have two signs that are the same, that still ends up becoming, even though they're both negative, that becomes a positive. So we have two signs that are different. That leaves me with 4 minus 1. So that part is, let's just finish that off. That part is 3. So this part here is 3. Now I'm going to add negative 3. But remember, a positive and a negative, those aren't the same sign. That's the same as minusing 3. And then I'm going to be adding 2 over here. So it's 3 minus 3, which is 0, plus 2 is equals to 2. And so out of these choices here, it's not negative 2, 0, it's positive 2. So the answer is C, positive 2.